trading at the house, call it Big Dick Mansion. Charts on the screen, ain't no damn distraction. Bull flags waving, cash and check satisfaction. Bear flags too, haters love the act. Nasdaq futures got the market on a leash. CT is starting, make them grit and gnash teeth. Pockets getting fatter, all about that cheese. In the big dick house, profit stack with ease. Bull flags fly in the sky, money flowing high. Bear flags unleash the beast, cash and checks no lie. Living large, future bright, never gonna shy. ICT can take a seat, watch our numbers fly. Flipping trades like pancakes, stacking up the dough. On the screen, lines of green, a profitable show. ACT talking noise, but they don't even know. We're the kings of the trade, got that instant glow. Big screens, big dreams, gotta keep it clean. Strategy pristine, always on the winning team. ICT screaming, but it's all a meme. Watch us reign supreme, living in a trader's dream. Bull flags fly in the sky, money flowing high. Bear flags unleash the beast, cash and checks no lie. Living large, future bright, never gonna shy. ICT can take a seat, watch our numbers fly. Flags fly in the sky, money flowing high. Bear flags unleash the beast, cash and checks no lie. Living large, future bright, never gonna shy. ICT can take a seat, watch our numbers fly.
Whoa, we're back. We're back. We're back. We're back. Oh, Lord. Good morning. Good morning. What a time to be alive. Wednesday. Well, I went, if you guys were watching the Power Hour stream yesterday, I went to the casino, played roulette. We talked about the strategy of betting on the, that whatever that outside 1 to 3 is. It actually worked. And then I went and played blackjack and it didn't work. I walked away. I don't know. I started out with 500 and then I walked away with a $5 chip. So I think I broke even. I'm not sure. My math ain't too good. My math ain't too good. But right now, looking here at the daily chart, I'm very like, I want to see. I'm like looking at this and I'm like, okay, what do we got? What do we got? Right? Like, what is what's kind of the setup here? You know, what are we looking at? Right? So, well, I just feel like are we set up for a reversal here? You know, is this that candle yesterday was, there's a little bit more wick on the bottom of that candle, but like we closed a little bit like a doji, and this not like a full doji, but I don't know what we call that. Basically a big wick on top, big wick on bottom. So into some indecision here. Yesterday, obviously Monday had that big drop, there on Monday. Last Thursday, big drop, and now, you know, we're down here. We pushed into that 20,000 level yesterday, had a big reaction off of that level there yesterday. We found the bottom. I don't know. I feel like I don't want to call it the bottom here, but yesterday's low of day, 20,660 down there. You had a nice little rip up end of day, and then the big dump again. We closed pretty much right where we're about to open up as well. So we've got a pattern here on the chart, which yesterday we had a pattern as well with the LuxAlgo indicator. And we saw how this kind of played out where LuxAlgo actually detected that pattern before the big move happened. And then that big move happened there end of day. Right now, the detected pattern is a ascending triangle. It's a bullish continuation pattern anticipating an upside breakout. And if you look on the smaller time frames as well, we've got this descending broadening wedge as well, which again is a bullish reversal pattern anticipating a breakout to the upside. So right now the market pulling back here. We've got that pivot point right there. Pivot point 20,400s. And well, we'll see what happens. VWAP there 20,005. 20 area. So let's go. Austin said he pulled a nutty bar. Blew his accounts yesterday. Why? Don't do that. Never go full nutty bar. Never go full nutty bar. Whatever you do in life, don't do it. In reverse, head and shoulder on 1 hour time frame. Inverse or in reverse? Inverse. There you go. Head and shoulder on the 1 hour time frame. I like it. Makes sense. Okay. I mean, that's I think that's a very obvious right now. Will the market respond to that move? We'll see what happens. I found the funniest video. You know, the internet, you just got to love the internet. It's a great place. The internet is a great place. Well, I thought this video was a comedy video. Here's our good friend.
When I was 15, I was such a bad kid. My parents had to send me to like a juvie when I was 15 years old in Mexico. Sent me out. I was there for 3 months, no communication with the outside world. Locked in with a bunch of people that were mentally disabled, and that's when I realized, dude, I did not want to go down. People that were mentally disabled, and that's when I realized, dude, I did not want to go down this path, man.
Hey, the best part is he went down the path. He went down he went down the path. Oh man. Guys, I didn't want to go down the path.
People that were mentally disabled, and that's when I realized, dude, I did not want to go down this path, man.
Where do I find these gyms? They're just on the internet. They're literally just on the internet. That's the best part. I don't even have to try. It's comedy. The internet is just comedy, man. The prop firm space is absolutely amazing. Oh God. The best is I love, this is my favorite part of the whole video, is the fact that Michael Patak is just sitting there on going, yeah.
15. I was
okay.
I was such a bad kid. My parents had to send me to a juvie when I was 15 years old in Mexico. Sent me out. I was there for 3 months, no communication with the outside world. Locked in with a bunch of people that were mentally disabled, and that's when I realized, dude, I did not want to go down this path, man. When I was.
Why is the CEO of Top Step going, I'm sorry, I can't. I can't not laugh. God. You went to a mentally disabled hospital. Who in the fuck ever put this guy on the internet? I mean, it's just you got to give him props, man. You got to give him props because it's like a goddamn, it's like a sitcom. It's like a Comedy Central fucking sitcom, episodes of South Park just in real life, man. I can't. Oh, I think it's just the funniest part is the fact that Micah Patak is just sitting there going, I'm sorry. I shouldn't be laughing at the retards, at the mentally disabled, but I mean, he did it to himself. He even said, he's like, I don't want to go down that path, but clearly he went down that path. He didn't listen to his own advice. Oh man, that was good. All right. Getting ready for another day. We got this, like I said, inverse head and shoulders, or well, somebody in the chat called it out, but basically we got that. I don't know why, but I'm feeling a little bullish here today. I might be wrong, but I mean, I don't know about that pattern. Looks pretty good. Man. So basically the Nasdaq kind of needs to hold this 400 level, 20,400s. We've got yesterday's high all the way up there, 20,730s. We got the Wang pattern. Bruce Wang. Y'all know Bruce Wang? Bruce Wang? Hey, Wang. Checking out the economic calendar on onlyprofirms.com. If you guys haven't checked out onlyprofirms.com, make sure you check it out every single day. Today is March 5th. We've got 945 numbers. And then we've got 10 o'clock numbers. Some pretty big numbers here today. Global Comp PMI final. And then ISM non-manufacturing PMI numbers. Tomorrow, we've got initial jobless claims. And then Friday, we've got non-farm payroll. So big week of action, a lot of numbers this week. I will not be live on Thursday and Friday because, well, I got a fishing tournament, but let's make money while we can today. We'll be live later for Power Hour as well. So big numbers today. This is the economic calendar on onlyprofirms.com. It's free. Check it out. If you want to learn more about all the best deals, see what's new in the space right now, all that fun stuff. So you can go through there and check it all out. Breaking it all down. Onlyprofirms.com. But yeah, just check out the economic calendar there. Pull it up. Ding, ding, ding. You can actually change it as well so that you see more numbers, or you can set it up so that it only shows like the important numbers. And yeah, here we go. Somebody asked, Patrick, is it the LuxAlgo pattern detector? No. This is the LuxAlgo price action concepts indicator here. LuxAlgo price action concepts indicator that we're using. It shows all the different patterns, and I don't even have it all set up, but they've got all kinds of crazy stuff to set it up there and dial it in and do it however you like. But right now we've got another pattern. We got a pattern detected here. The following wedge is a bullish reversal pattern, anticipating an upside breakout. So we every pattern that we're seeing, every pattern on every time frame, every pattern is calling for a bullish momentum, bullish move here. Ascending triangle. You got the descending broadening wedge breakout as well. Looks pretty good. I made some, I don't know if I made money last night, but I got some money. Got that $500 chip, baby. Ooh. I'm gonna go back this weekend. I got a fishing tournament. It's at the award ceremony. Everything is at the Hard Rock. It's a big fishing tournament sponsored by the Hard Rock Casino here in South Florida. So we got a room at the Hard Rock Friday and Saturday night. And well, I'll go put that red on a number. I don't think you can put 500 on a number. What number should I pick? Patrick, were you profitable Patrick, were you profitable before using that LuxAlgo? No, I've never been. LuxAlgo saved my life. Yes. I was profitable before using LuxAlgo. Thanks for asking, though. Double zero, baby. Just double zero. I was watching some old videos of you playing Fortnite. Oh God, that's rough. That's definitely some old videos. Why you always show trading view chart? You don't trade off that chart. What do you want me to show you? We gotta love Brokey chat. You gotta love it. All right, for now on, I won't show anything anymore. We'll just be like this for now on. Just okay, guys, here we are. We're looking at the market now. Here's the Nasdaq, 20,440. Looks really good. Oh yeah, right now it looks like a bullish momentum to the upside possible. You know, it's not really about charts, it's about numbers. You don't need charts. You don't need charts. You just need numbers. And right now, just numbers, man. You guys see the pattern right here we're looking at? Really nice, holding up there at the lows right now. We like that 20,400 level, great area. So it's kind of what I'm watching. We got the VWAP up there, 20,500s. Looks pretty good. Is that good? Yeah, shut up. Shut up. God. Patrick, why do you show the trading view charts? What are you looking at? What do you look at? Ambient techno. That's what I might need. You need to blow your nose, bro? You got sinus? This kid go over fucking can't breathe. Yeah. We gotta get the editor some fucking Claritin. He's dying over there. He's dying over there. Help this guy out. Does PW still work for LuxAlgo? Yes, I still work for them. I'm their #1 worker. Every morning I wake up and I log into my LuxAlgo account and I work hard. People think that the LuxAlgo is actually an algo, but what it really is it's just PW. It's just literally me. Every day I'm just here drawing these lines out, and then it just goes on millions of people's charts around the world. Yep, it's all me. Look at that. Full-time employee. I'm customer support. LuxAlgo customer support. Any questions you have, I can answer them. Is the Take Profit website down? Really? I don't think so. Let me see. Seems to be working to me. Seems to be working. Do you have any guests coming up? So yeah, next week, I will not be live tomorrow and Friday because I got a fishing tournament. But next week, we've got the CEO of Take Profit Trader coming in on Tuesday. And then we've got a subscriber YouTube chat member, Ruben. Ruben's actually going to come in. He was live during he was here yesterday during Power Hour, gave him a bunch of shit. And then I said, all right, you can come to the BDH now. So we're going to have a chat member come to the BDH, see what happens. Melanie Shapiro, what was the most important habit that you changed in Hawaii in order to improve your trading? probably just like discipline with my health. You know, going to the gym every day. That was probably like as stupid as it sounds, just kind of changing my routine, you know, waking up, going to the gym, being productive, not fucking around, not going out partying. Ruben's gonna pull up in the tundra. Yeah, baby. Is he here right now? Where's he at? He better be here. Where you at, Ruben? Ruben, you better be in the chat right now. If you're not coming to the BDH. You go to the gym in the morning? Yes. I go to the gym in the morning, 5 a.m. Visual Trader, what chart are you looking at? Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna put you in the VIP so you get the full VIP experience and you can see all of the charts. Don't worry about it. I got you, buddy. I'm a man of the people. People think that I'm that I'm not nice, but I'm nice. Yeah, it's hard to find good music to listen to. A little drum and bass, that's a little too hard. So kind of like looking like yesterday's momentum, right? Yesterday's morning, we kind of pulled back into the open, kind of just slowly moving down here. And then we had that big rip up. So we got the VWAP right now. VWAP down here. We've got the pivot point. We got a pivot point here, 20,400. We got the close from yesterday. We got a lot of stuff down here. VWAP at the 370s. Or wait, that's not the VWAP. I thought that was the V. I'm funny. For some reason, I was like, look at the VWAP. And then I was like, wait, why is the VWAP continue going higher? Look at the VWAP. The VWAP already knows it's going to go up to 20,500 today. That was funny. Maybe my VWAP shouldn't be a yellow line, but maybe, I don't know. Good morning. Good morning. It is officially 9 a.m. We are live here.
As light as
we are here live.
I wonder if I'll ever...
Oh, what is this music? So hard. All right, like I said, Nasdaq, ES. The ES is sitting right there at yesterday's close as well. We had a big sell-off there, end of day yesterday. Look at this thing. Just went straight down during power hour, 870 down to the 770s for a 100-point move down. And now we got to see what happens next here. I don't know. Oh, there we go. Pulling back again into that pivot point, 20,400. If we get rid of everything for now, let's take a look. Looks like me. I mean, the low of that candle right there is 20,326. Just like if you look at the bigger time frames, we got a bit of a inverse head and shoulders setup here. But I mean, we kind of broke. Does it, I guess, how far I guess this, how far can this shoulder come down? Pretty much like down to here, right? 20,320 area pretty much. And still be valid, basically. Like, oh God. I'm not very good at drawing, clearly. Wee. Dude, I'm still trying to find this music here. All right, Nasdaq pulling back here into open. We got news today, 9:45 news. We got 10 o'clock news. Oh, buddy. If you go over to onlyprofirms.com, we got the economic calendar. Economic calendar at onlyprofirms.com. It's free. Check it out right there at the top. It'll show you the latest and greatest news. So today, March 5th, we've got the PMI number at 9:45. We've got the ISM PMI number, that's non-manufacturing, coming out at 10 o'clock. And then we've got initial jobless claims tomorrow. And then we got non-farm payroll on Friday. So a lot of numbers. And then even next week, we got JOLTS job opening. We got core CPI. It's going to be good. I think we're going to get some action here in the next few days. A lot of numbers, big numbers, Trump talking, people talking. So we'll see how the market's going to react again today. Selling down here into open right now, below yesterday's close. So this 20,400 area key level, 20,400 key level, obviously, with that setup there. So we're getting ready. We're watching right now. Pretty much every single time frame that we have on the chart, every time frame, the LuxAlgo price action concepts is showing that on the 2-minute chart we have a descending broadening wedge, and then on the 15-minute chart we have a ascending triangle, and then on the hourly chart we have a falling wedge. So every single time frame, basically the indicator is saying that there's a bullish pattern playing out or building out right now. So show the shirt, BDH baby. What does it all mean? Well, I think what it means, Jack, is that the market might go up and it might go down. But the one thing is, well, it could go sideways too, but I think it's going to go up and down. Maybe sideways, but we'll see. We'll see. Right now, we're holding up there 20,400. I think, like I said, 20,400 is going to be very important for the bulls to kind of hold that level. Yesterday's close. Can they start to get some momentum to push back up here? Going into open, we've got about 25 minutes. And then we got lots of numbers, 9:45 and 10 o'clock numbers here today. It's time to party, baby. If you guys weren't watching earlier, I got to show this video one more time, just because more people are here right now, and it's the funniest video that I've ever seen in my entire life on the internet. Just one more. I'm not going to show it after this, but just one more time. Stay with me, people. If you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. All right, this video is absolutely amazing. Right here. Oh my God, it's good.
Yeah, you know, when I was 15, I was such a bad kid. My parents had to send me to like a juvie when I was 15 years old.
Hold on. We gotta.
You know, I was there for 3 months, no communication with the outside world. You know, locked in with a bunch of like people that were mentally disabled. And that's when I realized, like, dude, I did not want to go down this path, man.
Danny went down the path.
With a bunch of like people that were mentally disabled. And that's when I realized, like, dude, I did not want to go down this path, man. That, you know, when I
just love how MP's like shaking his head, like, yeah, man.
To, it was like a juvie when I was 15 years old in Mexico.
This is the CEO of Top Step is literally listening to this fucking retard talk about how his parents put him in a mental fucking hospital, and MP just goes, I'm dying. Like that right there is just, it's just real comedy. Like it is, like I said before, like we are, the industry is just a fucking comedy show. It is too much.
So I was there for 3 months, no communication with the outside world. You know, locked in with a bunch of like people that were mentally disabled. And that's when I realized, like, dude, I did not want to go down this path, man. That, you know, when I was
I can't. I'm sorry. I try not to laugh at the retards, but that's it's too funny. Like, imagine actually telling people, like, yeah, when I was a kid, I was 15. My parents, they sent me to a mental hospital for 3 months. Why would you tell anyone that? The funny part is that he even says, he goes, I do not want to go down that path. Like, I do not want to go down the mentally retarded path, but he went down that path. He actually went down that path. You guys should love each other. Maybe he needs help. Oh yeah, he needs help. Definitely, but it ain't going to be for me. Maybe his daddy can help him. His daddy wants to be a big time, you know, make threats about suing me. Well, I haven't got a lawsuit yet. I'm still waiting. So anytime some mentally retarded kid on the internet's daddy starts threatening lawsuits, I get really excited. You know, I'm like, ooh, let's go, baby. Nothing I love more than dealing with two retards at the same time. You know, one retard is okay, but two retards together, that right there, my friends, is the ultimate. Anybody can take down one retard, but two retards combined, that's like retard strength. And if you take two of them down, whew. Jayford, hey Patrick, I got green again. And then right now I saw you, it's gonna green again. What? Yeah, I think, are you talking about something else? You saw me and you got green? Uh-oh. Hey, I'm all for, you know, I don't swing that way, but hey, whatever you're into, bro. Nova Trading said he's Mexican and Danny trades a disgrace to the Hispanic community. We don't claim him. Oh, man. Ruben's here? Where's Ruben? Ruben's still short from last night. He's rich right now. I gotta go to the bathroom here. BRB, 1 minute, 1 minute. Patrick, how is the video looking? I think it's looking pretty good. Probably have a video from the Bahamas for you guys tomorrow since I won't be live. Exciting times to be alive. Exciting times. Everybody getting sick in here or what the fuck? Everyone making noise. What brand flip-flops do you wear? I get free flip-flops from a company called Grundens. They sponsor the fishing team, so I don't know. I don't call them flip. Do you call them flip-flops? I call them slippers. That's my slippers. Did you win roulette? Well, I started out with 500 and I walked out with 500. So I think I'm break even, or maybe I'm down. I'm not sure. I'm gonna put it all on black tomorrow. Why is it upside down? If I win the tournament and I get $300,000 in money, I'm gonna put it all on black. Don't tell anybody. I'm sorry, I'm laughing at this fucking. Somebody commented on Twitter about the Danny Trades video and said, "Job interview from hell. You close the Zoom and go." That did not go. That did not go how I pictured it in my head. Yes, we know, Danny. We know you're retarded.
For 3 months, no communication with the outside world. You know, locked in with a bunch of like people that were mentally disabled. And that's when I realized, like, dude, I do not want to go down this path, man.
I can't, man. Wait, my chip says 200? I don't think so. Wait a second. No, it says 500. It's 500. It's just the camera is mirrored. It says 500.
When I was 15, I was such a bad kid. My parents had to send.
Oh shit! It just keeps playing in the background. I need someone to remix that. Can somebody remix it? I need a remix. A new song. I need a new BDH song with Danny talking about going to mental. Respectfully, what is your thoughts on the stock market, Wolf? You know what I always think? Like, people that come here and they ask me like about people, it's like, is that the stock market Wolf himself? Like, does he make a fake account and then go on my YouTube just to ask me, be like, "Hey Patrick, what do you think about the stock market, Wolf?" I think he's a scam, like every other little fucking idiot on the internet. So, what do you? That's how I feel. Anybody whose name is Stock Market Wolf, you know, it's like, like, you ain't the wolf, dog. You ain't the wolf. You ain't him. I mean, look at these monitors alone. The funny part is, you know how I know he's poor? You know how I know he's poor? Do you guys know? Does anybody know how I know he's poor? Or he's not as rich as he claims to be? Does anybody know? Anybody in the chat? Could you guess? Look at this and tell me in the background, what do you see? The door. What is that door, bro? Poor people have doors like that. Rich people who have fucking mansions do not have doors like that. I mean, that's the truth. The shaker door. That's the truth. I'm not even trying to be a hater. Oh my God. Nasdaq going straight up right now. Like we talked about, this 20,400 area key level. Look at that, 50-point ripper off of yesterday's close. You said Sam lives near Shakers. No, but see, people in Miami, if you live in South Florida and you live in a custom built home and you're like rich, you don't have shaker doors. That's South Florida vibes. Like South Florida vibes, no shaker doors. And like a nice house, you know? See, like, this is a house in South Florida, right? This is a nice house in South Florida. Let's look through the house and see what kind of doors they have. Let's figure this out. Let's see. Is Patrick full of shit or is he right? Okay. Well, the front door is pretty sick. Look at the door. All right. Look at do you see any shaker doors in this house? None. Zero. It doesn't happen. Look at all their doors. Look at all their fucking doors. No shaker doors. Look at them. Who gives a fuck about a door? Well, I mean, I give a fuck about it because when people claim that they make $1 million a day trading and then they have shaker doors in their house, I call bullshit. I call bullshit. I call bullshit. It's just, you know, whatever. Hate me, love me, whatever you want. It's all good. Don't hate me, just love me. All right, this is a $3 million house. This is a $3 million house in Miami, right? $3 million house in Miami. What do they got? What do they got? Where the doors at? Where are the doors? The house don't even got doors. Don't even got doors. Don't even got doors. This is all I don't care about doors. I just care about this car. It's all I want for Christmas. I've been texting the guy who owns this. He wants $465. I told him I'd give him $425. If he agrees to $425, I will wire the money today. But he's being a hard ass, you know? Michael, come down in price. Come down. Oh, it's so nice. Such a nice car. Oh, it would look so good in the BDH. Like, imagine that car right here behind me. It would look so good. The colors would match. The wall. Be sick. Be sick. All right, Nasdaq pushing up here. A little bit of a bull flag set up here. If we break out of this kind of descending, broadening. Why is that so hard to say? Broadening. On Cilio the Go, you don't have enough cars? Buy some houses. Why don't you go buy some houses? Don't worry about the fuck I do. You know the nice thing about cars? You don't have to pay property taxes on cars. You don't have to pay, property insurance. You don't have to pay a mortgage. Think about it. Get smart. Don't get dumb. Get smart, not dumb. All right, we got 9 minutes here, 9 minutes till market opens. Jim Minger, you buy the wrong cars. Why is everybody? Hey, let's do a poll. Let me ask the chat really quickly. How many people in the chat made $5 million last year? How many people? How many people in the chat made $5 million last year? Well, why the fuck would I listen to anybody in the chat about what to do with my money? God. Why would I do that? No reason to do that. No reason to do that. Just like Kanye said, you know?
Pierce, how much money are you worth?
Not as much as you, sadly.
Exactly, so take my advice. Maybe you'll get richer.
I would love to take your business advice.
Why would I listen to you?
Why do you hear what my advice is and then work out if I'm wrong?
Pierce, how much money are you worth?
Not as much as you, sadly.
Exactly, so take my advice. Maybe you'll get richer.
I would love to take your business advice.
Why would I listen to you?
Why do you hear what my advice is and then work out if...
I mean, you know, he's got a point. Kanye has got a point. You know, he got a point. You know? The Mustang is like driving around in a shaker door. It's a GT500, sure. It's a GT500 Shelby. And I have two Lambos, a GT500, a GT3 RS, and that's all I got. And a boat. Kanye definitely went down the path. The full retard path for sure. All right, watching the Nasdaq here, getting ready for market open. Anything can happen. All right, again, we got 9:45 news. We got 10 o'clock news here today. So also, my boat's for sale. If anybody wants to buy a boat, $550,000. I'll sell it. It's listed. Look at this thing. Look at it, so sexy. Nicest 39 CV on the market today. Patrick Wieland's boat for sale. This is like a collector's item. This is a collector's item, people. People want to buy this boat. Come and get it. 500,000. You can have it. Well, 550. I'll take 545. I'll sign it as well. I'll put my signature on it, and then you can have it. I think it's a good deal. You just bought the boat. I know, but I'm buying another boat, a bigger boat. That's what happens. You buy bigger boats. Bro's struggling. No, I'm buying a bigger boat. I'm gonna sell my boat for 550, and then I'm gonna buy an $800,000 boat. See? That's called math. Right? You sell the $500,000 boat, and then you buy an $850,000 boat. Oh, time for the members only chat. I forgot. Here we go. Here we go. Have you ever been to Poland? I've never been to Poland. Poland. All right. Like I said earlier, Nasdaq having some setups here for a possible little move to the upside here today. We've got this inverse head and shoulders. So it looks a little weird. I know. Looks like something else, but that's what an inverse head and shoulder looks like. I swear. I did not draw this a certain way. It's just how it played out. So we'll see what happens. We've got the falling wedge detected pattern here as well. Detected pattern there. Falling wedge is a bullish reversal pattern anticipating an upside breakout. And then on the 15-minute chart, we had that ascending triangle breakout. We did pull back here. This is that close, 20,400 area. Yesterday's close. So I want to see how she rides today. We've got the low from Monday down there, 20,316. And then after that, we've got a pivot point all the way down there at 20,000. We got a 400 point pivot point gap right here. 400 points from this pivot point to this pivot point. Maybe a little less than 400, but still 330. How can you get the indicator? Well, it's the LuxAlgo price action concepts indicator that I use with all my little goodies on it and all that fun stuff. So we're getting ready. Market opens up here in 3 minutes. Nice and easy. We got the VWAP right now, 20,500s. We've had a lot of volatility, a lot of action, and well, we're going to be partying today. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, help me out. Let's get 1,000 likes here before the market even opens. Can we do it? Can we get 1,000? Say whatever, man, but that watch is sick. Well, I agree. Look at that thing. Ooh. Ooh. Money, 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 money. Money, 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 money. I got 20,000 on my wrist. On my wrist. 20,000 on my wrist. Oh, I gotta stop looking at Twitter when I'm trading. Twitter it's too funny sometimes. Some funny stuff on Twitter, funny people. Patrick, are you looking for sells? No, I'm just looking for something. I don't have a game plan. Like, just kind of wait for the market to open up here. We'll see what happens. That 20,400 level, yesterday's close obviously being important. We got the VWAP there. We've got this kind of trend line from this morning from the London market, that 4:45 a.m. high. The overnight high there at the 632s. We're about 200 points away from the overnight high here. So, ooh. How many carats does your watch have? None. There's no diamonds in it. It's not Gucci, it's AP. It ain't Gucci, it's AP. I think if we can get above like this 468 level, the high of these like 15-minute candles, get a push up here into the 500s next, test that VWAP. But right now, getting ready for our market open, being patient. Both the ES and the Nasdaq right now are pulling back here. So we will just kind of sit back, be patient, and we'll see what happens. All right, market is open. Down there, the 20,400 so far. That's yesterday's close here. Yesterday's close there at that pivot point as well, 20,400. The ES and the Nasdaq right at a key level here. Holding up there at the 400s for now, 20,400 pivot point right there. We've got 9:45 news. We've got 10 o'clock news. 10 o'clock news and 9:45 news here. So be careful. Right now, that 400 level holding up here. The bulls stepping in aggressively. Will they take it all the way up there through the 450s next? Seems like it. 450s. Can we push 450s here? So many new subscribers, members, so much action here on the BDH. We're blowing up, baby. 450s looking real tight here. After the 450 level, you got the VWAP up there at the 20,500s. Stuck there at that trend line for now. Right there at the pivot point. Back up to the 21 EMA again. Just chopping around here for now. Moving down again. All right, now that 400 level holding up there. Will we get support there off the 400s now? Both the ES and the Nasdaq trying to hold up there, 20,400. If we get above 420s here, we should get some push. Just stuck right now there. Watching like this 420 area to get through and then see if they'll push it up. They're holding up at that 400s for now. The ES is holding on. The Nasdaq's holding on here, 400s. There's the 420 push, right there, the 430s now. And chopping. That 21 EMA right now holding us down. They're holding up there at the pivot point. We got the 9:45 news coming out as well, 10 o'clock news. Straight down right now, fucking A. Lost the 400 support, straight down now. Sorry, my girlfriend is texting me. I'm fucking live on YouTube. Stop texting me. Nasdaq straight down here through the lows right now. The ES is holding on. The Nasdaq's just dumping down here now. 346 is that 320 is Monday's low down there. 330, still going. Straight down, Lieutenant Dan. Got that 9:45 news coming out here at obviously 9:45. That 320 area from Monday's low, getting some support there for now. This 9:45 news should be eventful. Look at that Monday low right now. The ES is pushing up here. ES is breaking out to the upside. I think Nasdaq's just trying to trap right now. Nasdaq is looking very trappy here. Be careful. Look at this push right off the 320s now. Holy shit. There's 100 points off the lows now. The trap is real. Here we go. Nasdaq is straight up. We should go right through this trend line up there to the VWAP next on the Nasdaq. ES is pushing up. Nathan, I have not traded. Relax. Holy fuck. People in the chat. Patrick, it's literally been it's been 11 minutes, boys. Relax. Best thing to do right now is just let this do whatever the fuck it's doing, going up and down and all around, and then we look at this thing about to break to the upside now. Right there below, there's that 450 push here. Pulling back here, 420s. I want to try this long to get through the 460s and then up there towards the 480s, maybe more. Need to get that continuation through here now. Get through the 460s, I'll move my stop up. I don't love that wick there, but ugh.
My 1% for the day.
OG. OG. If we get through this little mini double top here, we go to the 475s, 480s. I'll be looking for. Top step is short right now. Top step is short. Top step is short. A little bit of hesitation here. Like I said, we get through the 460s, I'm moving stop up. ES right now pushed right up there to the VWAP. Nasdaq having some trouble here. Should have gotten out those wicks. Watching that 420 area here. Need to hold up the 420s. We might get stopped here. ES got denied at the VWAP. Nasdaq getting stuck there for now. Got my stop at the low of this candle right here is what I'm watching. The low of this candle. Right there at the 21 EMA on the 2-minute chart. There's that 945 news. And she's holding up there for now. Get through the 440s here. I'll look to maybe if we break through the high of like this 50 candle, I'll look to add there. Looking to add to this if we break above the 450s here. Try to ride it up there towards the VWAP next. Just needs to go, go, go. I think Top Step got stopped out already. Oh, God. And stopped out for now. All right, Nasdaq pulling back there to the pivot point there at the 400s again. Trouble. ES pushed right there to the VWAP, got denied, and then pulled right back when that news came out here. So, whatever. 20,400 area, just back to that level here.
Made 2.2K past 5 days in a row. Green BC of BDH saluting face.
Let's go. Nasdaq just chopping around in this range. We have not broken out of the 15-minute range yet. $15-minute candle here, pulling back. We got the low from the 15-minute candle down there at the 20,313 level now. Just trying to be patient, wait for the next good setup here. Let this 10 o'clock news hit. We got 10 o'clock news here, 10 o'clock news. Just chopping right now inside that 15-minute range before this news comes out. Indecision here between the buyers, the bears, the bulls. We are right there at yesterday's close, right at yesterday's close right here, so. See what happens when this news comes out. Getting tighter and tighter. The Dow pushed up above the VWAP. The ES got stuck at the VWAP, but I feel like it's getting tighter and tighter here, like it wants to push up, but just stuck right now there. Being patient, waiting, watching. Five-minute chart. Going to a bigger time frame right now. When it's like chopping around like this, I like to go to a bigger time frame. Kind of see what's going on. There's a 10-minute chart. Big wick there on the 10-minute chart. 5-minute chart. Down there to the lows again. We take out the 15-minute range. It's just like, can't really jump into a trade right here. Like, I feel like right before this news comes out, but again, down there to the lows, 320s now. They like that 320 level. Like I said, don't get short at the goddamn low. Don't do it. Real J Beanie said it's going to fill that gap all the way to 20,115. What gap are you talking about? What gap are you talking about? I don't see any gaps. Four minutes until the news. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, we got 900 likes, 5,200 people watching. We can get a little bit better. There's the break to the downside here, breaking the 15-minute range. We got 2 minutes, like fucking 4 minutes until this news comes out. Damn it. We got stuck below the 400 area and then straight down there now into the threes. All right. Straight down. Well, 2 minutes until the news comes out. 2 minutes until the news. Being patient. Let this news comes out. Let the news come out, and then we'll take a trade. ripper back up here. Kind of an indecisive looking candle. Well, got a minute here till the news comes out, so being patient. Seconds. Squeezing. Well, I guess they wanted it to go up. I guess. Well, there's the boner candle. Good thing we didn't get short at the bottom. Good thing. Good fucking thing, huh? That would have not been fun. Right there to the VWAP now. What a candle. Look at that. That's a 170 points. 170 points there on that candle. You gotta love that. Right now, sitting there straight at the VWAP. All right, we got to get above the VWAP here. If we're looking for those longs, we got to get back above the VWAP. Right now, just stuck below the VWAP, both on the ES and the Nasdaq. I don't want to get trapped here again. So let's wait to see what happens. That 440 area right below the VWAP kind of holding us down for now, but get above that 440, see if they push it higher here. That 440 area was resistance there earlier as well, so There we go. Through the 440s now, pushing up there towards that 80. The high of that candle earlier, 87. $87 get through. $87 to get through. Live from the BDH. If you guys haven't hit that like button, help me out. Blow up the like button. Let's break some records here today. 5,500. Get some more people watching. How can we get more people? Tell your mom, tell your brother, tell your sister, your uncle. Right now, the ES is right there at the VWAP. We'll do a giveaway. Let's do a giveaway. We haven't done a giveaway in a while. What can we got? Let me see. Let me see what we got. Let me see. Giveaways. We could probably do maybe a Take Profit Trader account. We could do a Take Profit Trader account giveaway. There's a link there in the chat if you want to win. Go sign up at the giveaways page over there, and we'll pick a winner here in a minute. All right, Nasdaq pushing. 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 Nasdaq right there at the VWAP. We get above the VWAP here. We build out a little bit of a bull flag, and then I think we could go higher. Where could we go? Well, I still think that overnight high makes sense, right? That 633 level up there. We got a little bit of a, I don't know about a little bit. We got a lot of support down there at the 320s. Website crashing. Oh, God. Is it crashing? Oh, God. All right, they're trying. They're trying to get through the VWAP there. They get through the VWAP, and then up there, they're through the 500s next. There she goes. There she goes. We saw the ES get above the VWAP a little earlier there. Nasdaq following now. That breakout through the 500s coming up here very soon. '96s, '95s. We broke the 15-minute range to the upside here. Here's our 15-minute range high. 450s. See if we can pull back. We turn that into support there. Little bull flag above the VWAP here now. We want to see like little pullbacks, not big pullbacks, you know, just like little bullish pullbacks, not like a massive pullback. We want like little dips here, just getting bought up and then pushing it higher. A 1,000 lots sitting at 500. Uh-oh. If that gets taken out, we go to the moon. Gorilla Dave. Oh, shit. We got Gorilla Dave in the chat, or just subscribed. You crazy Gorilla Dave. So like on this type of setup, I want to go to the, I'll go to the 1 minute chart and then kind of see if we get a little bit better of a flag kind of formation, just so I can see if we do get that quick continuation. So basically, like, I want to see this kind of pull back 15-minute range and then get that next push through there. Tim Bible, you made it out of the casino alive last night, huh? I was at the Hard Rock last night and I actually ran into Tim Bible. Small world. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? I think, no, you texted me at one point and said that you're up. And then you left barely alive. That's always how it goes. That's why I left. I had to make sure I left with at least the $500 that I started with there. So I'm going to go put it all on black on Friday night. See what happens. You left with 400? That's not bad. That's not bad. Hey, leave them with money. Any money at all is good. Good day at the casino. All right. So again, what we're waiting for here is basically a candle to break above the previous candle high. Right? Right. Perfect. Kind of like that 480 breakout now. Full 80 breakout. All right, just still waiting. Still waiting. Fucking girlfriend still texting me about fucking photos for her Pilates studio. I got bigger issues than worry about your fucking Instagram for Pilates right now. God. Oh, she knows my schedule. She knows I'm fucking live right now. I don't know why she's texting me. Chad Cobra taking a long. Let's see if it works. Right there at the 21 EMA on the 1 minute chart. I don't like it, but we'll see if Chad likes it. Chad, you know, sometimes he calls out some good ideas. I'm all for it. You're already out? Well, fuck. Never mind. He's already out. Never mind. It's over. All right, Nasdaq. We're starting to push here. If we get above this 460 area, just sucks that we're like right there below the VWAP, but we should get through the VWAP here and then be targeting that 500 level straight up. Need the push. All right, get through the 480s here. A little retest of the VWAP one more time before pushing through the 480s. God. Denied. Oh, this ain't good. This ain't good. This ain't good. I don't know if I'm ever going to be able to financially recover from this. My stop is at the 416s, right below that 420 candle, but we'll see. Had a little bit of a late entry. I should have got in like 55s. Oh, wow. Back-to-back traps here. That's painful. It's going to hurt. That's going to hurt. Oh, God, chat. Not good. What a joke. Oh, fuck me. Are you kidding me? It sucks. That VWAP are just too fucking fucking ugh. Lesson of the day, don't fuck around right there at the VWAP. Don't do it. Don't do it. I'm sorry, chat. We're gonna be looking like we're gonna have a red day here. Looking like a red day. Painful. Very painful. So on the day right now, we're down 5,000 across the Apex accounts. That hurts. That hurts. Just, it happens. It does happen. Ugh. What? No lunch for the editor. Sucks. All right, Nasdaq down here again to that pivot point. I don't fucking know. Who knows? Why did it do what it did? I don't fucking know. Just like too much stuff going on right here. Too much congestion. Oh, I mean, I'm not worried. I'm going to get it back. It just sucks to take back-to-back losers like that. Maybe the lesson of the day is don't fuck around with that 1 minute chart. Maybe that's where I fucked up. Maybe that's where I fucked up at, you know? I don't know. Just need to be a little bit more patient. The ES also just can't get going. So, my apologies. Nasdaq right there at that pivot point, 20,400. Now it's like, now you start analyzing, like what went wrong? What went wrong, you know? I don't know. Back to back. I mean, I was up. Every single one of those trades, I was up, what, 15 points? Not that it really matters, but I was in the green for about a second and then just got dumped on. Kind of just a tricky spot there. Sucks too because I'm not trading tomorrow and I'm not trading on Friday, so now I gotta think about it for the next 4 days. That'll be fun.
Don't tilt, man. Just another trade, Reverend. Up the GT and get back to it.
I'm back to it. I'm back to it, baby. Like, what is this price action? Just right back down, going nowhere, chopping around. Sick. Just watching here to see what happens next. Nasdaq just inside the 15-minute range, going nowhere. The ES and the Nasdaq both pulling back here now. Right there at that 360 level now. All right, heading to the low of the 15-minute range right now. Heading to the low here, 322s. She's dumping real quickly. Oh my Lord. She's dumping. All right, back to the bottom of the 15-minute range. Look at the 15-minute candles right now. Just absolutely nasty, nasty. That means probably middle of the day, we're going to get like a really nice trend to happen. After I go to lunch, the market will probably just like go up 500 points or go down 500 points. You know, nothing to see here. Nothing to see here, chat. Should we call it Nutty Bar? Let's call it Nutty Bar, see what's going on over there. Nutty Bar.
Hey, how we doing?
Bro, I'm down bad. How bad are you down? I'm bad. I'm down bad.
I'm so mad. I'm
Uh,
down bad.
no, I'm down bad. How much are you down? I'm down fucking.
No, I'm down.
No, I'm down. I think I'm down more than you are.
I don't know. I'm down $2,000 on 5 accounts.
Oh, I'm down $5,000 on 20 accounts. So.
Oh man, somehow, some weird way, I feel better. Oh, where did you get trapped?
every time it went up, I just got trapped.
I got all the way down. Once we broke the 460s, somehow in my mind I thought, okay, we're good. We're gonna rip this thing above, and I kept buying it as it went lower, like an idiot.
Yeah, I got long at 460 and then it dumped on me and then I got stopped out. So
Yeah, I got stopped out 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and now the latest one. Guess where I got stopped out? My latest stop out
at 300. At 300.
301. I'm not kidding.
You got big ticked.
I got shot in the tick.
You got shot right in the
It ain't
tick.
cool. Oh.
That's messed up. I'm gonna call somebody
didn't
to talk.
know.
I'm gonna complain to somebody about that. I'll say, hey, my friend Nutty Bar got shot in the tick. We gotta figure this out.
Exactly. I'm gonna call the SEC and complain about. I feel like
You gotta call.
Valid.
Just call Danny Trades. He'll figure it out for you. I heard he's good at making those red days go away real quickly. You just gotta make just check, just proof work him. You know, I think he was he was on the right track. He just needed someone to proof work his Photoshop skills. You know. Did you see that video that I posted earlier where he admits to going to a mental hospital or some shit when he was a kid?
Yeah, I did see that.
Why would anybody go on live stream on YouTube and talk about like when I was 15 my dad put me into like a juvie for retards, like what?
Yeah, that's pretty awkward. That is pretty awkward.
No, the best part was when NP was just like
Yeah.
NP was like, yeah, I know what that's like because my daddy put me into boarding school when I was a kid.
Oh man.
So it got you on the calendar for the 19th and the 20th.
Hey, we're coming 19th and 20th, right?
Yeah.
That's the right dates.
Okay.
19th and 20th.
All right. What should we play golf again, or what should we do when you're here?
Well, hopefully I'll have some accounts left over by the time I get there.
Nah. Worst come to worst, just get more, baby. You know, Apex is on sale. Use the code PW.
Yeah, NBT, best code out there, I've heard.
No, I think PW always gets you the best deals. All right, well, hey, at least we're both red, so we can't talk shit about each other.
No, yeah, it's somehow comforting in a weird way.
I wonder if Kellyanne's red.
Oh, she's red mad. She really hates me. She really doesn't like me.
She literally said, did you hear when she's like, Nutty Bar is the fakest, most unreal, unnice person I've ever seen.
I know. And all I did was I just was trying to help her promote her FFF affiliate.
I mean, she was defending Jay Dunn and Danny because they're like, they're young kids. Don't be so mean to them. I'm like, no, they're criminals. They are criminals, not young kids.
But can you confirm? Is it possible to not be an affiliate yet have your own custom code?
Yeah. Remember, because FFF did that to me. Actually, there's a PW code at FFF.
Oh yeah, true.
Yeah.
That was malicious though.
Somebody messaged me and was like, bro, why are you trying to tear down FFF? I used your code and signed up for them. I was like, yeah, no, I never promoted them, you fucking morons.
Yeah, that did not end well for them. That did not end well for them.
I'm still waiting for the lawsuit any day now. I think maybe they're using Amish, delivery services or something.
Yeah, they deliver by horse and buggy.
Well, we're excited to have you over here. I know the chat's excited to see you again, so
I'm excited to be there. It should be a fun time. I don't know. Do you want to go golfing again?
We'll have to see. We'll see. I'll plan something. I'm gonna plan the adventure for us.
Okay, that sounds good. I'll be waiting.
All right.
It'll be fun.
If I tell you you need to wear all black and bring a hood, just don't ask questions.
Oh dear.
All right. Talk to you later.
All right. Take care.
Peace. Oh man. The Nasdaq right here, 20,320. Look at this thing right now. 15-minute chart. Just, I don't know. What do you do? Can Nutty Bar go to the casino? Can he? Are Amish people allowed to go to casinos? There's like a big sign that says no Amish? Just a big sign. No Amish people allowed. They're too good at gambling. I mean, I don't want to, you know, say something here, but I mean, I feel like it wants to go down in theory. Nasdaq through the 300s down there to the 280s next. I mean, I don't know. It's just holding up right here at Monday's low now. If we get through Monday's low, get down there to the 280s next, but clearly just don't got the read today. A lot of volatility here. Lots of volatility. Down there to the 300s. Chopping some more. Nope. I'm just chopping around here. Holding up at that range. That looked like it really wanted to go, didn't it? Even the ES was sitting down there at the lows. Nasdaq said, nope, hold my beer. We're going to do it one more time. Good Lord. ES and the Nasdaq kind of a double bottom down here, holding up at that 340 area. Nasty, nasty. Nasty, nasty. Somewhere market maker is laughing his ass off. What is he laughing at? He better not be laughing. He better not. Take Nutty Bar to Pilates. Yeah, I think that would be a, I don't know. He would melt. He would melt in there. $320 is just holding up there once again, back up. Good Lord. What is going on? Look at the 15-minute candles. BDH. All right, so I mean, I guess kind of see if there is any possibility that this bear flag kind of plays out, breaking through that 320 area down there. But right now, just holding on back up there to the 21 EMA there on the 3-minute chart. We just tapped into that 360 area. We got this 20,400 area right there as well to focus on. So that's the close of day. Also that pivot point right there as well. Ooh. What is this? 2 hours gonna be what? An hour of just nothing. Going nowhere. An hour. An hour of nothing. Painful. Well, we are going to be getting tighter and tighter here at some point. Or wait. I guess we got this little wedge. Got this little wedge here. Right there at that pivot point now. Once again, 402 pivot point there. Got the VWAP. Got so much shit going on right here. Previous week low, the pivot point, the close from yesterday, the 21 EMA, the fucking VWAP, Monday's low down there. We've got just a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff there. An absolute massive amount of stuff. Oh God, why me? You gotta love it. It's like, took this little trade in the eval just to kind of see if I could have at least one good idea here from the 89s up there through the 420s now. It's so like, don't you love that? Like when you trade the funded accounts, you have a red day and then you go take a trade in an eval and then the first thing is like green instantly. It just like, that's the most frustrating part. You gotta love it. And now straight up there to the VWAP. That pivot point right there, 20,400. It's painful. It's painful, man. I don't even know if I want to. I don't even know if I want to turn on the members only chat. Turn it off because I do not want to listen to the fucking retards. Patrick, you treat differently evals and funded accounts? No. I took 2 red trades in the funded account, and then I took one trade here in an eval, and look at how nicely that worked out. Why? Like, why? You gotta love it. You gotta love it. Yeah, gotta love it. All right, we got this pivot point right there. Pivot point holding up 20,400s. And then right there, the VWAP 500 kind of just up there looking like they want that 500 level there next. You got to get above that VWAP though. Everybody's sad. I'm not sad. It's just frustrating. That's all. It's not that I'm sad that I had a red day. It's just frustrating, right? That's the best part about trading, right? You do everything you're supposed to do. You show up every day and you follow the plan and you get fucked sometimes. It's just how it is, right? Like there's just nothing you can do about it. It's not like, it's not something to be emotional about. It's just like, fuck, it just sucks. And that's why trading is the hardest, easiest job in the world. Because even when you show up, even when you do everything you're supposed to do, the market is still like, ha ha ha, watch this. It don't care. It don't care. Nasdaq sitting there at right back to that pivot point again. We're below that VWAP. And just right back down again, dumping. It's amazing. Crazy. I guess we're gonna make this a channel now. Here's your new channel. Right there at the pivot point, 400 level, just stuck. Both the ES and the Nasdaq just stuck here at yesterday's close. Are y'all sick? Everyone's sniffing like crazy. Gonna drive me insane. Literally. I'm on edge right now. I cannot trade in this fucking place. Everybody's sniffing and fucking making noises. VWAP there are the 45s. We gotta like get some type of breakout here. All right, Nasdaq breaking out here again. Trying to break out. Oh my God. Today is not the day to be a breakout trader. Whatever you do, do not trade the breakouts today. Don't do it. Don't fucking do it. Don't be that guy. Don't be that guy. Promise me. Promise me. Don't be that guy. Gotta get some loss porn for Twitter here. Get some loss porn to post up on the Twitter. Trade with John. He'll be back tomorrow. Well, I won't be back tomorrow, but we'll be back next Monday. Hopefully I win $1 million so I can afford to pay all my bills. Hopefully. All right. Now do we just dump straight down? It's kind of looking like it. Baby Jesus. We are still in the 15-minute range, by the way. Still in the range here. Still in the range for now. not seen the market this like this choppy, I feel like, in a long time. Maybe it's just me. I mean, look at these 15-minute candles. They're just going absolutely nowhere. You can't make this stuff up. You can't make it up. Nasdaq back up here again. Oh my God. What in the world? I mean, fuck. There's a big move coming, I agree. The question of will it be here or there? Michael, how do you win the giveaway? You'll get an email if you won. Nasdaq just going nowhere. Back to the top of that triangle that we got forming right now, back above the 400s. VWAP up there, 445s to get to. Breaking out here, will we get through that 440 level there next, up to the VWAP? Thing's getting so tight. At some point, this thing's gonna make a move. It's gotta make a move at some point. Just like which fucking way is it gonna go here? What a stupid market. Right back down again. We got a symmetrical triangle. The symmetrical triangle is a typically neutral pattern anticipating the breakout on either side of the triangle. LuxAlgo letting us know what we got. Back down here once again, 360s. Just stuck below the VWAP. Good Lord. Back down to the bottom of this triangle again. Market Clubhouse in the chat. What's popping? How we doing today? Red, green? We big red over here. Big red. And not because I'm a ginger, but because we red. Got chopped up today. Only 2 trades, but both trades just slapped right in the face. Both trades slapped in the face here. Painful. Yeah, today was a good day to sleep in. I should have slept in. That would be nice. I should have stayed at the roulette table all night. Would have been much more profitable than this. Now I got to go win, try to win $1 million fishing the next 2 days. 2 days of fishing, $1 million on the line. $40,000 buy-in. How is the weather in April for the BDH? I just looked. It's green, mostly green weather. Nice weather. No, April's a good time of year. April. Oh my God. All right. I mean, if we lose the 320s, we're going straight down, right? Right? Like in theory. Look at this 15-minute chart. Oh my God. Oh my God. Rips is coming to the BDH in April. There'll be a challenge. Who's gonna get more viewers, Nutty Bar or Rips? The challenge is on, Nutty Bar. You better bring your A game. Nutty Bar on the 19th and the 20th, and then Rips in April. Oh man, the battle is real. Am I flying Rips out first class? I think he'd probably take his private jet. Maybe take that SF-90 and just drive across the country real quick. He'll go about 200 miles an hour. He'll be here in a few hours, right? Somebody asked, is it a sell? Me telling you right now would just be, it would be a waste of energy. So like, it would just be a waste of breath trying to tell you what's going to happen next. There's just no point in even trying to predict what happens here. Both the ES and the Nasdaq. ES is just holding up down there right now. You got the previous day low, 5,743 to the downside down there. It's just impossible. Impossible to fucking trade this. Mike wants to go pee-pee, but doesn't want to miss the move. I think you can just go, Mike. Mike, go pee so that way the market can move. We can all make $1 million. God, this is painful. What are the chances that we push back up again? What are those chances? What are the chances? What do you think? Good or bad? Good or bad? Down there to that 320 area, we bounced off that 320s pretty hard earlier. Do we break through there, through the 320s down there? A lot of room to the downside here. Previous day low is all the way down there at 20,077. Right there, that 320 area again, bouncing. All right, the top step is long right now. Top step's long right now, so the market is going to go straight down. Just kidding, but maybe. It's hard to say. They're long on the ES. I don't know where at, but it just says they're long 1 ES. I don't know if that's the right idea, but hey, maybe it'll bounce here. Maybe. Or maybe not. I don't know. Starting to get out of this triangle here. If we start to move, will it move through the 300s there next? Wow, finally happening. It's finally happening. I took a little eval trade here just to try it out. From the 340s down there to the 300s. There it goes, all the way to the 260s. There you go. What a move. Finally, I can't believe I've made so much money trading evals today. I just had to trick myself. Instead of making money trading the evals, make the money trading the funded accounts. That'd be better, right? Wouldn't that be a lot better? Look at this. Oh God. It's painful. Absolutely painful. How do I make 9,000 in the evals but lose 4,000 in the funded? How does that happen? I couldn't tell you. I literally could not tell you. It would be impossible to know. It would absolutely be impossible to actually know the actual truth to that. Nasdaq down there to the 260s now. We took out the low, but now I feel like what are they going to reverse this back up now and be a big trap to the downside here? Ugh. Well, I think it's a good time to go to lunch. Chipotle's open. Chipotle's open. Patrick, do you trade the 150K account or 150K or the 50K?
Do you trade 50K or 150K accounts?
It depends. I've traded both. Normally with Apex, I trade the 50K accounts, but I'm trying to trade the 150K accounts now. And then with Tradeify, it's the 150. Someone said, why do I not want to recover after being down? Well, because you know how that works. Try to recover a red day, just turns into a bigger red day. If only it was that easy every time you're red just to recover, you know, it'd be nice. It would work nicely. All right, we're retesting kind of that 15-minute range low there. Push up there to the 20,300s. I mean, I just know that I took back-to-back fucking just slapper trades to the face, so probably not a good idea to try to get back. Probably not a good idea. What candle do you mark for the range? It would be the first 15-minute candle. Why did you not close when you were up $3,000 on the first trade? Let me, yeah, I don't know. I didn't know. Like, I thought it was, you know, I was looking for a continuation. I wasn't like, oh my God, I'm up 3,000. I better take profit now before it pulls back. Remember, it's always 2020. You know, vision is always your. You know, the right answer is always 2020. 2020 in hindsight, right? It's easy to look at the charts in hindsight and be like, look, I told you guys. You know, why did you not short here? Why did you not short here? Why did you not buy here? Why did you not buy here? Why did you not short here? Right? Like, that's easy. I can sit here and make a video on YouTube and tell everybody, be like, look, guys, all you have to do is just, you know, when the market goes up to the VWAP, get short. When it pulls back, get long. When it pushes up to the VWAP, get short. When it pushes to the VWAP, get short. Get short here again. You know, like, in hindsight, it looks really fucking easy. Right? It looks real simple. You're like, oh, that's easy. Why did I not do that? Why did I not just get short and get long and just do exactly everything? And so that's the issue. It ain't just simple coulda, shoulda, woulda. Trading, the market don't give a fuck about what you could have done. It does what it's gonna do, and that's all it's gonna do. Market's gonna do what it's gonna do because that's what it does. Right now, I got a little bit of a bear flag kind of forming down here. Will we go lower? Maybe. I can't wait to go on Twitter and listen to I already see people tagging me on Twitter. Love it. We love it. Nothing I love more than listen to the morons on the internet tell me how bad I suck at trading. I can have 30 days of green in a row and it's still not enough. It'll still be, oh, you suck. Classic. Just classic, you know? Just classic. This is how it goes. Sometimes you're on it and sometimes you're not on it. That's literally, that's all it is. I know it sounds funny to say, but it's just kind of the way it goes. Like, you can see my Tradeify accounts, we had 30 days of green. Had let's do one account so you can see, just had 26 trades in a row. 26 trades in a row winning, making money January, February. And now they're moving me into the live funded accounts there with Tradeify. So just kind of how it goes. The thing is, like, with you know, if you with the 80% win-loss ratio, you're gonna have some losers here and there. I took a total of I took a total of 88 trades in these accounts. I had 70 winning trades, 18 losing trades. It just kind of, that is how it does. That's how it looks. This is how a real trading stats look. You know, it's just how they look. You know, you're got it. No matter what, anybody on the internet that tells you that they don't have red days, or they tell you that they never lose, they just lying, because it's impossible. It's impossible to never lose. So just putting that out there, not trying to talk shit, but I'm sure, like I said, the internet will have lots of experts today that made $1 million, and you know, well, we get to hear about it later on. Well, I think that's all she wrote for me. Time to go to Chipotle. I got to go pick up my car, my GT3, drop off the Shelby. Drop off the Shelby, pick up the GT3, get ready for the fishing tournament tomorrow and Friday. And yeah, that's all I got to worry about. You know, now that I've lost all this money trading, now I get to go and lose some money fishing. Well, hopefully win some money fishing, but that's it. We got some good videos on the way. We got some good action, and I'll see you guys next Monday right here live from the BDH. If you haven't already hit that like button, well, you know what to do. Blow it up. Just blow it up, people. Blow it up. I'll play a song for you. I'll play a song for you, and you play a song for me, 'cause we can be friends forever. I just want to be. Which one's good? This one might be good. Oh, that's bad.
In the big, big house of Patrick, yeah. Trading Nasdaq futures without a care. Bull flags flying, hot air flies low. ICT can't touch our flow. Straight to the beat, get that win. Patrick's at it again and again. Oh, man, we don't care. ICT's broken, all that's fair. Laughing at the charts we got laid. Cashing in on futures, ain't no shade. Patrick's got the edge, he's on